Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mund and today we are going to solve some exercise questions 1 to 15 of exercise 3D of chapter 3. Chapter name is Playing with Numbers of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos, and please visit my blog mathsgrade.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other state boards. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we will learn and solve exercise 3D questions 1 to 15 of chapter name is Playing with Numbers, and topics are test for divisibility, prime factorization and finding prime factors. Let's solve some questions. Now question number XB, 15th page. Now you have to check this number 2152 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11 or not. First we will check this number is divisible by 2. Divisibility of 2. We know any number if the last digit or unit place digit of the number is either 0 or even number, then the number is divisible by 2. Here last digit of the number 2152 is 2 and 2 is even number and 2 is divisible by 2. So 2152 is divisible by 2. Now we will check this number is divisible by 3 or not. If the sum of digits, that is the digit sum of the number, is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Here digit sum is 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2. And 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. And 10 is not divisible by 3. So 2152 is not divisible by 3. Now we will check this number is divisible by 4 or not. Divisibility of 4. If the last two digit of the number is 52, if the last two digit of the number is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. Here last two digit of the number is 52 and we have to check this number is divisible by 4 or not. We have to divide 52 with 4 and 4 1 is 4, 1, 12, 4 3 is 12 and remainder is 0. So it is divisible by 4. 52 is divisible by 4. So this number 2152 is divisible by 4. Now we will check the number is divisible by 5 or not. Divisibility of 5. If the last digit, that is the unit place digit of the number, is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. The last digit, that is the unit place digit of the number 2152 is 2 and 2 is not divisible by 5. So 2152 is not divisible by 5. Now we will check the number is divisible by 6 or not. Divisibility of 6. We know 6 is the product of 2 and 3. So if the number is divisible by 2, the last digit is 2, then the number is divisible by 2. If here the last digit is 2, so the number is 2 is divisible by 2. So this number is divisible by 2. 2152 is divisible by 2 and the number is divisible by 3. Sum of digits of the number is 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. And 10 is not divisible by 3. So 2152 is not divisible by 3. So 2152 is only divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3. So this number 2152 is not divisible by 6, because it is not divisible by 3. It is only divisible by 2 only. Now we will check the number is divisible by 8 or not. Divisibility of 8. If the last 3 digit of the number is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. Here last 3 digit is 152. We will check the number is divisible by 8 or not. First we divide 152 with 8. 8 2 is 16, so 8 1 is 8. And 15 minus 8 is 7, 72. 8 9 is 72. And remainder is 0. So 2152 is divisible by 8. 152 is divisible by 8, so 2152 is divisible by 8. Now we will check the number is divisible by 9 or not. Divisibility of 9. Sum of digits, that is the digit sum of the number, is 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. And 10 is not divisible by 9. So 2152 is not divisible by 9. Now we will check the number is divisible by 10 or not. We know 10 is the product of 2 and 5. So if the number is divisible by 2, if the last digit, that is the unit place digit of any number, is divisible by 2, then the number is divisible by 2. So here last digit of the number, that is unit place digit of the number, is 2. And 2 is divisible by 2, so 2152 is divisible by 2. Now we will check the number is divisible by 5 or not. Here last digit is not 0 or 5, it is 2, so 2 is not divisible by 5. So 2152 is not divisible by 5. So 2152 is not divisible by 10. Not divisible by 10 because it is only divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 5. Now we'll check the number is divisible by 11 or not. Divisibility of 11. Now the if sum of digits at odd place and sum of digits at even place is either 0, differ by 0 or 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Sum of digits at odd place is 2 plus 5, and sum of digits at even place is 1 plus 2. And 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 minus 3 is 4. And 4 is not divisible by 11. So 2152 is not divisible by 11. Now it is found that the number 2152 is divisible by 2 because the last digit is divisible by 2. And the sum of digits of the number is 10, which is not divisible by 3. and last two digit of the number is 52, which is divisible by 4, and the last digit is 2, which is not divisible by 5, and the last digit of the number is 2, which is divisible by 2, and the sum of digit is 10, which is not divisible by 3. So this number 2152 is not divisible by 6, and last three digit of the number is 152, and 152 is divisible by 8, because it is divisible, because the number 2152 is divisible by 8, so 2152 is divisible by 8. Now we'll check the number is divisible by 9 or not. Sum of the digits is 10. 10 is not divisible by 9. So this number 2152 is not divisible by 9. And this number is divisible by 2 because the last digit is 2. But it is not divisible by 5 because the last digit is not 0 or 5. So the number 2152 is not divisible by 10. Now sum of digits at odd place is 7 and sum of digits at even place is 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 is not divisible by 11. So the number 2152 is not divisible by 11. Now the number 2152 is divisible by only 2, 4, 8 only. And the number is not divisible by 3, 5, 6, 9, 10 and 11. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.